Hello, this is Mr. Fed, and on this video tutorial I want to show you how to download and install Microsoft Webmatrix so you can practice what we are doing in class. Okay, so if you're running a Windows machine, as you can see on the screen here, I want you to go to open a browser. Okay, let's try Internet Explorer. And by the way, Microsoft Webmatrix only works on a Windows system. So on the address bar here, I want you to type, I'm sorry, let's go to the Google search bar and let's type Microsoft Webmatrix, enter, and notice again K9 Safe Search. Remember, always use K9 for your web search, and we always also want to look at where the link is pointing to. In this case, it's microsoft.com/web/webmatrix, so we want to go there, so let's click there. And okay, if you scroll down, just click on free download. Okay, and we're gonna go ahead and run it because it's a very short and small file for web platform installer. Okay, and then this program is the one that's actually going to install Webmatrix. So click on install, accept the terms, and then this is going to take a little while. Okay, I'm going to pause it now until this is done. Okay, it seems like this is almost complete. Let's click finish. Okay, and then we don't need to add any more of these things right now, so we're just going to exit. Okay. Then we can go ahead and close the web browser and let's go to start, all programs, scroll down to Microsoft Webmatrix. We're gonna open it up, and this window is gonna pop up about Windows Azure. Please click not now. We don't need to concern about that right now. So at this point, we have already installed Microsoft Webmatrix, and the next thing that we're going to do is open up the project that we started in class. Okay, and in order for us to do that, we're gonna come and click open and source control. Okay, now before we do that, let me pause the video so that I can gather some information for you. Okay, so always remember to refer to the class's website to gather most of the information that we talked about in class. So I already have it open here on my browser. So we have Fed Calderon at azurewebsites.net. So go to courses at NCS, Intro to Computer Programming, and now let's move on to week 2. Okay, and right now I am building this. I'm going to post more information, but for the purposes of this tutorial, look at this instruction here. It says copy this URL for the class code repository setup in Webmatrix. Don't click on it. So this is what I want you to do. I want you to left click and then drag it, select it all, then right click, select copy. Okay, minimize it. So we're gonna go open source control, and we're gonna do open site from Git. Okay, don't worry about this right now, just follow the instructions, say okay, and we're going to right click, paste. Okay, we're gonna say okay, and then this is going to take a few seconds. And Git, okay, it is an online repository, actually also known as GitHub. And GitHub is a tool that we can use to upload our development code into like a cloud system, and or it's all, think of it as, instead of saving it into your hard drive, you save it on a server somewhere, and then you can have multiple people access this code and modify it and save it, and so everybody can actually see the changes. Okay, don't worry too much about it right now. It's something that it's an advanced topic that we're going to be looking at later on. But once the project has been downloaded into your copy of Webmatrix, check this out. It already opened it, Intro to Computer Programming 01. Okay, and all you have to do if you want to run it, just come here to run, and let's click on the arrow. I guess it's still loading. It's still loading. If it hangs up on you, like it seems to have hung up on me, we're gonna close it. Okay, always check your arrow here. Okay, I guess the server from Webmatrix stopped, so we're gonna reopen it. So start, click on Webmatrix, and then now we're gonna go to My Sites. Okay, and there you go. That's our website, Intro to Computer Programming, and this should open it up for us. Let's click here. Okay, that right there, just IIS Express. That's our local server for our web development here. So now we're gonna select Google Chrome, and it's going to start our website. This is what we're doing in class. Okay, if you have any questions, always remember to refer back to the website and look at the syllabus. The syllabus has my contact information. You can email me. Email is the preferred choice. Okay, alrighty, thank you very much.